Over 1,000 former students of Barker College answered the call to serve our nation in the major wars of the last century. They sailed away fit and healthy young men. None of them returned the same. Injury, disease and stress took a terrible toll. Some families could not even recognise their sons as they came down the gangplank. 92 Barker boys did not return at all, and their families still grieve for them. It is fitting, therefore, that we, the present members of the Barker community, should pause on this day and in this place to pay our respects to the memory of these former students.
So this ANZAC Day, and every day, know that you can be a keeper of the memories of something so important to our history and to our future. And so for those who serve and who served and who gave up everything so that you could sit here today, honour them and remember them always. Remember that you must never forget, lest we forget.